Ding dong dick. Ding dong dick. So alright. I usually end my kill zone in 4 minutes, but it's I'm trying to go on about my day. There was opportunity. I can't speak. There was opportunity today, but none of it was to my liking or probable. But I got like no sleep today, bro. Let me fucking get this shit out of the way. So, this fucking high got swept. This high time frame ass high got swept, and this was respected. And I wanted to see bearish pressure and get shorts for the day. But so it was either shorts off this liquidity, or we go to this, hit equilibrium or whatever, and then go higher, right? But no, PA wants to chop up for fucking couple minutes or whatever, and there was honestly a short opportunity, but it just wasn't probable enough for me. We got to break a structure, inverses and everything. I was looking for a short right here off this fair value gap respect, but it obviously didn't happen. So I was like, okay, maybe the price can go up to here, go lower. It didn't do that. What it did was chop around for, what is this? How long is this? Like 15 minutes or so, right? No, I'm tripping. Like, what is that, 20 minutes? 20 minutes or so. Made a new fair value gap right here. And then came into it, and then it went lower. Well, actually came back up high, and then went lower, and it's now going lower. I could have took this, I ain't gonna lie, I was fucking not looking at charts, but it just wasn't high probable for me either way. So I was just waiting for price to come down here first, at least, so I can get longs, retrace, and then enter off that. But no, they wanted to just chop around for a little bit, so I was like, they don't look very probable. So is it a mistrade? Maybe, I don't know. Not really. Well, did I miss this opportunity? Yeah. But was it the best trade? I don't know. Because there was a 5-minute gap right here that kept getting respected. I was like, it looks like it kind of wants to go higher. But then ES and NQ gave SMT, where NQ couldn't even reach this high right here, but ES literally ripped ass to the upside, took out high time from highs over there. But like the bias was really short for the day. After price took out the highs, I was like, this looks pretty short. I low-key want shorts, but PA was pretty choppy, so I didn't take anything. And this was the trade that if I was looking to trade ES, which I wasn't, because I don't enter on ES, NQ gave an entry right here, which took out this low down here. Oh, and it gave us another long right here, which I didn't take either because it looked like shit. And there's not much volume and volatility in the market, and I'm like, I don't want to take something that I'm not confident in or low probable, where price is just chopping up and shit. And then, like, I don't want to force trades. Like, I don't know, it's NFP day. It's not very probable to trade overall. We already had this big ass move up. Like, bro, look, you know what I mean? It's just this overall pump, and I'm like, how probable is this, right? It's not very something it's not very ideal, so could I made some money? Yes, but was it probable? No. There was opportunity, but just, gotta understand longevity. Like, how many times would this work? I don't know, you know, so, well, that's fucking it. Guess you could say I missed some trades today, but, I don't know, man. Alright, well, fucking, I'm gonna go hit arms.